How to open Terabox video link without app. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now you can go ahead and watch videos or download links using Terabox. First things first, you want to open up your browser. In my case, I'm using Chrome right here, but of course you can go ahead and use any. Right after you can just go ahead and search for the Terabox link, and you will be taken to this page right here. You want to go ahead and click on the Terabox downloader, and from here all you have to do is go ahead and enter the Terabox link. Right after, you can now go ahead and use Terabox without ever using the application. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.